Welcome. This video will guide you through charging your Tesla Model X at a supercharger. Supercharging uses DC fast charging, allowing for rapid energy transfer. As of January 2026, Tesla has over 50,000 superchargers worldwide. We will cover everything you need to know in this video, so buckle up and let's dive in. Superchargers deliver direct current electricity, bypassing the Model X's onboard AC charger for much faster charging speeds. Direct current flows straight to the battery without needing conversion, while alternating current requires the car's onboard charger to convert it first. The Model X uses Tesla's North American Charging Standard connector, introduced in 2022 and becoming standard on all new models by 2026. This direct method enables significantly faster charging than Level 2 chargers at home, which use AC power and require the onboard converter. Superchargers can add hundreds of miles in minutes, while Level 2 charging takes hours for the same range. To locate a supercharger, use the Tesla Navigation app on your Model X's touchscreen. The app provides real-time information about nearby stations. The app displays real-time availability and estimated charging costs for the nearest stations. Once you select a station, navigate to the chosen supercharger location using the built-in navigation. Tesla partnerships with networks like EVgo provide additional charging options in select regions. Once at the supercharger, drive into an available stall. The charging port is typically located on the driver's side rear fender. Open the port cover. It may be automatic. Insert the supercharger connector into the port, ensuring it clicks securely into place. The supercharger will recognize your Model X. Once plugged in, the Model X's touchscreen displays charging options. Select Start Charging to begin the session. You can set a charge limit, such as 80%, to preserve battery health by avoiding full charges, which may strain the battery over time. Confirm your payment method, which is linked to your Tesla account. Charging sessions are billed per kilowatt hour, typically costing around $1.25 to 50 cents per kilowatt hours in the United States as of 2026. Once charging begins, monitor the progress on your Model X's in-car touchscreen or through the Tesla app. These interfaces provide real-time data including power draw in kilowatts, estimated time remaining, and energy added in kilowatt hours. The Tesla app provides similar monitoring capabilities with detailed charge statistics. You can view your energy usage, costs, and savings directly from your phone. V3 superchargers can deliver up to 250 kilowatts of power, but the charging rate naturally tapers as your battery fills to prevent strain on the battery cells. Under optimal conditions with a V3 supercharger, you can expect to charge from percent to 80% battery in about 15 to 20 minutes. This rapid charging capability makes long trips practical and convenient. Once the desired charge level is reached, press Stop Charging on the touchscreen or app. Gently pull the connector from the charging port. Close the port cover. The session will be automatically billed to your Tesla account. Double-check to make sure you have unplugged and the charging session has ended. As Tesla continues to advance its supercharger network, here are some essential tips, current trends, and future developments that will enhance your charging experience. First, always check the Tesla app for the latest updates and new features. The app provides real-time information on charger locations, availability, and even allows you to start charging remotely or monitor your session from anywhere. Tesla is committed to sustainability, aiming for 100% renewable-powered superchargers by 2028. This includes integrating solar panels, wind power, and battery storage to reduce carbon emissions and grid strain. Many U.S. superchargers already use over 80% renewable energy. Tesla is integrating AI-optimized load balancing to distribute charging demand more efficiently. This technology helps prevent congestion at popular sites by dynamically managing power allocation and implementing smart scheduling, reducing wait times by up to 40% in busy areas. Looking ahead, Tesla is piloting wireless charging technologies, such as MagCharge, which could eliminate the need for cables altogether. This contactless system uses magnetic fields to transfer power, potentially available in production vehicles by 2028. Future advancements include even faster charging speeds, potentially under 10 minutes for a full charge, thanks to solid-state batteries in upcoming Model X variants rumored for 2027. These improvements will further reduce range anxiety and enhance convenience. By following these steps, you can efficiently and safely charge your Tesla Model X at any supercharger. Thanks for watching.